Hello besties, welcome back to our channel. Today I share with you how to make this mouth-watering carrot cake loaf that is flavorful and moist. It is super delicious and easy to make, guys. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into the video. First, we are starting with the carrot. Yes, we are making use of 3 medium-sized carrots. Go ahead and scrape the back and grate it, okay? Just like you're watching. One thing I love about this recipe is that it can be used for different things altogether. Yes, you can use it for snacking, as a dessert, or even as a breakfast option. Yes, guys. And the carrot in it provides it with a whole lot of vitamins, fiber, potassium, minerals, and lots more, guys, thereby making it a well-rounded choice. So, my darling, you see, it's not only delicious but also healthy, okay? So you give it a go after watching. Let me use this medium to say a very big thank you to all my newest and returning subscribers, the kings and queens in the house. Guys, your girl is very grateful. Thank you guys for your massive love and support. Please keep it up, okay? And also remember to continue sharing, liking, and commenting, for they motivate me to do more. Thank you, guys. At this point, guys, we are done with the carrot. So you go ahead and set it aside, okay? Next up, guys, in a clean bowl, go in with 2 cups of self-rising flour. Next is your soft butter. We are making use of 90 grams of soft butter. Once you've added it, go on and mix until it resembles breadcrumbs, okay? Is this your first time meeting my video? If it is, you're welcome to my spot. Here we'll cook, we'll bake, we'll do everything edible, so please do wait to be part of this amazing family. You can only do that by subscribing. Please hit that subscription button, turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I post new video. Thank you. So guys, we are done mixing. Now moving on to the next step. Go in with a teaspoon of mixed spices. You can use your nutmeg, cinnamon, just to give it the warmth and flavor that it deserves, okay? And if you notice, guys, we added half cup of brown sugar, okay? You can skip the sugar if you don't want to make do of sugar. You can substitute it to banana or honey, yes. Once you've added all of that, go on and mix to evenly distribute, okay? Now, once you're done, make a hole, a well, yes, and set it aside. Moving on to the next one, guys, get a clean bowl. Go in with your egg. We're making use of 2 eggs, yes. Followed by 125 ml liquid milk. All right, guys, go ahead and whisk, okay? You can use your spoon or your whisk, yes. I think using a whisk is more better and faster. All right, guys, at this point, we are done. Moving on to the next step. Get the dry ingredients, the one we mixed earlier. Yes, make a well and pour in the liquid ingredients. Afterwards, go on and mix using your hands or your spatula, okay? Keep going. Mix to well combine. Alright guys, at this point it is looking more like it. Well mixed. Now moving on to the next step, go in with your grated carrots. This is our star ingredients. The star ingredients to this recipe. Guys, feel free to increase your carrots, okay? It is totally on your preference, but make sure that carrots do not overpower other ingredients. Now that we've added our grated carrots, go on and nicely stir them, okay? Stir them in, just like this. Please guys, if you have watched up to this point and you've not given this video a thumbs up, I beg you, please do, okay? It is totally free. Also, remember to subscribe. Both are free. Thank you guys. Alright guys, at this point, we are done mixing. It is well mixed. Now, introduce your vanilla essence. Yes, vanilla extract for extra flavor, okay? And once you've added it, go on and stir it in, okay? At this point, guys, we are done mixing. So you set it aside. Moving on to the next step. Get your loaf pan. We'll be making use of 2 loaf pans. Grease them with some oil. Yeah, splash in some oil and use your brush to spread it all over the pans. Alright guys, now get the batter, the one we mixed earlier, and pour into the pan. Once you're done, shake it this way. You can even heat it just like this, making sure that there is no air, okay? All right, this is the next one. Pour the batter in and shake it. Adjust it just to make sure that there is no air, okay? All right, guys. So you go ahead and tap in some grated carrots. It is looking so good, guys. Even not yet baked, but it looks so good. All right, tap in with some carrots. Oh my gosh, guys, they are looking great. Lovely. Use your spatula or your spoon to press them down. Yeah, just like this, guys. Alright guys, we're done. Transfer to your oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for just 30 minutes. Or you continuously check, yes, when it turns golden brown. And there you have it, guys. A delicious, mouth-watering, delightful, flavorful carrot cake loaf is set. Look at how it's looking. Oh my, oh gosh, it looks so good. Let's check and be sure that it is well cooked, baked. Yes, use your skewer and pierce through it. If there is no any mixture, guys, it is done. Yes. All right, guys, let's transfer it in a plate. It is time to test, okay? Make sure you allow it to cool down, okay, before testing it. But you know, your girl, I love testing it hot. Please, guys, bear with me. All right, this is us slicing it. The cutting might not come out clear and neat. Yes, but if you want, yes, just allow it cool down, okay, before slicing. All right, guys, we are still cutting. This, oh my gosh, this looks so good, guys. Looking at it alone, it looks delicious. So, guys, look at how it is looking so moist. Oh my, tell me you are not salivating right now. Guys, this is super delicious. You can enjoy it plain like this, or you top in some whipped cream and nuts for extra sweetness and crunchiness. And the best part of it is that it is so easy to make. It's something you can make in a few minutes. Look at the carrots. Guys, this is a healthy snack, a healthy dessert, a healthy breakfast idea. Yes, that is perfect for tea time. So you give it a go, okay? Also, remember to share to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and follow for more tasty recipes. Bye.